In this problem, we're given some data about a circle, and then they want us to use that data to tell them what the equation of that circle would be. So the first thing we need to know is what the general form of a circle looks like. So that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared ends up equaling r squared. So the h and the k in this situation represent the x and the y value of the center of our circle. And then the r is the radius of our circle. So what we're looking at in this problem is we've got an h value of 3 and we have a k value of 2. And so what I know is the h value goes with the x, and so in this box with the x here, I'm just going to enter 3, just how it looks. And in the y space, y minus, and that should be where the k goes, and so that's where I'll put a 2 in there. In this last box, that's where my radius squared goes, and since my radius in this problem is 6, 6 squared is equal to 36, and so 36 would go into this last box. So our final equation would look like y minus 2 squared plus x minus 3 squared equals 36.